I am privileged to be in Mewat, the Veer Bhumi. This is the place which is being looked up for leadership. One of our ideals, Maharana Gandhi, he named, and he is the one who mesmerized that not having any resources could lead such a movement, a tribal force against Shahanshah of India. Can we learn leadership beyond corporate boundaries? My answer is yes, and we must if we don't want to become dodos. Otherwise, we will become dodos. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a fact, most of human progress, be it material or otherwise, except spiritual, has become a really unfortunate because of war, not peace. We keep talking about the things from where the material science came, not to develop a surgical instrument, but a sword. A sword was the motivation to develop the metal, not for a surgical, not to operate on a patient. Management, from where it came. Management came to manage large forces across the world, or maybe a simple company, platoon or section. Some of my experiences being in army, but serving in different parts. Most of you may not have heard, in 94 November, we had a blow in Andhra Pradesh, oil well, Kasanpudi, near Rajamundry, 80 kilometers away. This is a picture of that. What happens? These flames are roughly 50 meters to 110 meters in height. You could see these from Rajamundry, 80 kilometers away, these flames. We called, especially the youngsters, please have faith in you. We called, this was the ONGC crisis management team, as well as one American company was there. What was the aim of this company? To earn profits. And we have not recognized our own talent. Mr. Vijay Kelkar, that time Secretary, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, he asked me, Nana sir, I don't agree with what this gentleman knows. This is my hearty experience with the oil wells, etc. Because as a army man, layman, a foot soldier, I will like to attack my enemy, in this case the fire, where the fire is the weakest. And what this gentleman is doing to extend that period, because he was employed per day. What I suggested, what he did, and yeah, here is that American team. They made a gelatin trapped in a 200 liters this barrel and put it there. I said, no, this is not the way a metal can be cut. This is the conception which I suggested, that to cut a metal, what you need is a cutting charge. And this became successful. Of course, ultimately, other American company came, they used the sandblasting technique to ultimate. But again, to extinguish fire, they said that we need a help from America. I said, we have got it in India. That is what I am meaning you all. You all are capable of doing what anybody in the world can do. So, have faith in you. This is one of the first lesson for a leader. Famous scene, most of you must have seen at least in pictures, Siachen Glacier, the longest glacier outside polar region. Gentlemen, whenever I speak to any gathering who are not much aware about the cryosphere, moment you say snow, the first picture in Indian mind at least come is Switzerland. Mind it, Switzerland doesn't have as much snow-bound area as Himachal Pradesh has got. I am not talking about India. I am talking about Himachal Pradesh. When we say about glaciers, you talk about the Mount Blair. 7 kilometers. Next to Manali, there are at least 10 glaciers which are more than 20 kilometers. Siachen, longest glacier, as I said, 77 kilometers. You have got the resources. Here, what I am trying to say, if they can attract so much of tourists over 7 kilometers, what stopped me? I am not talking Siachen Glacier as a tourist spot. In and around Manali, there are at least 10 which has got 20, some of them up to 33 kilometers. Unexplored. Explore the new. That is the leadership quality. Explore the new. Don't be hesitant not to go there. Please go there, see it. I can assure you 99% you will be a success. And failure is the first step towards your success. The leader should be ready to adopt, modify technology. This is again same Siachen Glacier, but generated through remote sensing. A synthetic picture. Initial picture was an actual picture which I took from a helicopter. This is a satellite image which has been generated. We started using in India these kind of the images much before. Most of, I will not say all the countries, but most of the other countries, they never thought of that we can use the satellite images for our purposes, be it for strategic purpose or be it for technological demonstration or development. All these are possible with remote sensing. This picture we got generated in 97. People talk about remote sensing in recent past. I am talking about 97. When I used it, of course, for strategic purpose. Weapons. Gentlemen, as you have heard about our Prime Minister about the opening of the defense sector. Unless we open, number one, we are dependent on others. For our plus of 70% requirement, this is the famous Bofors gun firing towards the Tololing and Tiger Lake. I was present there, you can see the ammunition, etc. Most of these things are being imported. Why I am saying so? A gun doesn't cost that much as its ammunition. One shell of Bofors, depending on what range you want to fire, may cost you from 40,000 rupees to 2.5 lakh rupees. One shell. And you need to, as a country like India, millions of them. Can we find a solution? I leave it to my young future of India. Here you can see that what that gentleman was sitting. Background is the foreground is the Tololing, Pakistani post and Indian post. Side by side, eyeball to eyeball. Why I am showing you this thing? Find the problem. Solution is there. We could throw them out from these posts because we try to find the solutions there. I was present there. Of course, as you mentioned, not to talk about me. I also got some award, that is Chief of Army Staff Commendation Card. Now, here if you see a civilian officer, when we were facing certain problems about construction of things in high altitude snowbound area, most of us, including self, may not have dared to go to this place. He is Professor Syal. I requested him, sir, my problems, I can't bring the problem to Chandigarh, but will you like to I approached IIT and lot of others. Everyone said, bring the problem. I can't bring Himalayas, sorry. I can't have the capacity to move Himalayas. He is the gentleman. Why I am mentioning him here? Then 10 people may refuse. One chap will come and your karma will be paid. We found the solutions which are being implemented. Again, a picture of my campus in Manali. We had in 95 what you are hearing about the Kedarnath last year and lot of landslides. I was given a task by Dr. Kalam, then scientific advisor. Can I rebuild it? And we produced. Produced not because of me, it is my team. Gentlemen, as a leader, you have to take your team with you. A single person, I may not be able to move a boulder river, but my team, we produced wonders. When the estimates were asked, some contractors said 5 crore, 10 crore, we did it in 3 lakh rupees. 3 lakh rupees. Because everyone, team contributed, be it senior or junior. Just this is Latur earthquake. There we help. Again, I will not go into this, but team. We could save a lot of money and, of course, famous penguins during my Antarctica experience. This is the last. This is Hora, you have seen, must have seen. And this is how we got started. And ultimately, the captain of the ship, he had the courage to bring us back. Thank you.